Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this small video about yen index and the trades that happen on the back of this yen index analysis. So this is the chart I made on the 7th March. This is yen index weekly chart. As you can see, the price was at the TL, so I wrote down here. Key number is 57.46 and the rising TL. I was expecting a bounce. I forgot to mark the yellow mark I usually do. But the idea was that the TL is going to hold, then we will go up. Similarly, not at the same time, but this is the 7th March. And after a week, I saw this thing start bouncing from here. So I had several trades, but I'm not showing that. I'm just showing this week trade. So let's, the other chart, let's see. This one, the monthly chart I made, not the monthly, this is the weekly, the same chart. This is the monthly chart. On the 14th, the next week, I made that since it started going to the upside powerfully, now we are at 58.56. So I said, okay, we're going to break this and we're going to go for the upper TL. And doing so, what will happen? When yen index is going up, yen is getting weaker and all yen pairs will be going to the upside. So I wrote down here, this will take all yen pairs to the upside. And to this chart, as of today, what happened is this. See how powerfully it went up? Just a little bit of distance to cover, and most of the distance is already covered. So the target is the upside TL. But what did I say here? This will take all yen pairs to the upside. So forget about the last week, but the week starting from this 14th March for the 15th, basically. So what happened after that to these yen pairs? So let's take a look one by one. All right, Aussie yen. Let me show you the 4-hour chart of all of these. See, this is 15th March, and it went up. CAD yen, 4-hour chart. Look at that. Look at that, 15 March, and it goes. Yen, franc yen, 15 March, up. Euro, 15 March, up. Pound yen. Euro yen, right? And this is pound yen, boom. So much to the upside. New Zealand, 15 March, it went up. And USD yen, all yen pairs, they went up, as I said on this chart already, that if it's going to go up there, this will take all yen pairs to the upside. But what did I do? I had several trades last week, but I'm just going to show you this week so far. Monday and Tuesday, what happened? So the week started on Sunday, basically, right? So I had a couple of entries from last Friday, which I closed on Sunday. USD yen on the 20th. That was Sunday. This Sunday, right? 70 pip. I closed that on the 20th. This is pound yen. 20th, I'm showing only yen trades, nothing else. I have several other trades, but I'm just showing you yen pairs, yen trades based on that yen index chart. So on the 20th, 65, these are the two on Sunday. Then comes Monday, I had only one entry. Yen, I had several others, but yen AJ on the 21st, Monday, for 90 pip. Then today on the 22nd, which is now gone, it's yesterday. Wednesday already started. But on the 22nd March, here's EJ for 85 pip. And then the last but not the least is GJ, pound yen, for 115 pip. These are 5 trades so far. In this week, only yen pairs I'm showing. I have so far 11, 12 trades. But yen index chart, this one produced all of that. Last week, almost 6, 7 beautiful yen pair trades for hundreds of pips. So this is the chart, ended up like this, right? So be careful, be ready. Once we hit this TL, we might drop, just like here, just like here. Let's see what happens. All right, now we are going for the TL, a little more distance, maybe today, tomorrow, to the upside. And then we make the turn, if we're going to make the turn. So I don't know. This war is going on, and the back of that, a lot of things happening, including this yen getting weaker badly, and CAD, Aussie, New Zealand, they are getting very, very strong. So a lot of things happening. Need to be very careful, but on the same time, very, very profitable if you know what to do. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.